Hey, to change language in a Gemini, all you have to do is just to click on your account in the right upper corner. Then from here, select to manage your Google account. Now from here, you will have to go into the left side and select personal info. And from here, just scroll all the way down until you locate the language. So click on it and now set the preferred language as English. As you can see, in my case, that's in the Polish. So if I click on this arrow and put the Polish as a first language, I go into the Gemini, refresh the list, and now I can find the Gemini in the Polish language. So that's what you can do. Just simply click here and switch into your native language or the language that you want to use. If there's like no any languages, just click here to add another language and pick the supported language from the list. So as you can see, we can add this one. And there we go. So that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.